the fastest. So, welcome! So, I'm glad to introduce you the fastest machine in the world for creating videos with subtitles. As you can see here, this app creating subtitles to a video of 30 minutes length. How much time it takes you to create a 30 minutes length video with subtitles? How much it takes you at 10 videos like that? Or 100? This app is never stop. It's all the time keep running and running. I'm gonna put this clock over here. Just take a look how fast it is, and I will be back when it's all over. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running, keep running and running and running and running. Transcript, 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 transcript. Create, 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 create. Keep running and running and running and running and running and keep running, keep running, running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Automatic, automatic. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, running and running, transcripting, transcripting and running and running, running and running, running and running and running and running and running and running. So when it's done, transcript, you enter to the video. Two options: export a video, and the second one is text. So we're gonna check our text warnings.
So the question is how much?
Here you can see we have some highlighted boxes, so we can check them or we can fix them. Once you finish to edit all your text, you just click export, and then you have video with subtitles. Hope you enjoyed this preview. Remember, time is important. Find your clients to create them a video with subtitles. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And running 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 and running.